Working from home can be a real pain. Cleveland Clinic chiropractor Andrew Bang says the key to a pain-free workday starts with a creative setup.
Figure out how to use boxes or books to create a better, like ergonomic kind of setup. And the rules of thumb are just trying to think, how do I help gravity sit equally upon my neck, shoulders, low back, and my wrists?
Dr. Bang says the ideal setup is a place where you can sit with your ears lined up over your shoulders, looking straight ahead.
If we think of our head like the weight of a bowling ball, as we look down, the heavier that bowling ball seems, and the more work our muscles in our neck and our shoulders have to do to hold our head in place.
Stacking books is a good way to get your monitor at the right height. Elbows and wrists should be resting at a 90-degree angle, and you want your low back in an upright position. You can add a pillow for extra support.
Our low back can withstand a lot of use, but eventually, after sitting for so long, it gets fatigued. When we fatigue, then we slouch. When we slouch, then we're putting more pressure in abnormal places. That leads to pain.
Your legs should be evenly resting on the chair, with feet touching the floor. You can use a box or stool as a footrest, too. No matter where you work, though, Dr. Bang says it's important to move.
Take home is always changing it up. So even if you use a pillow, if you don't move your back, you're going to be right back to where you were before with some discomfort and pain. So move, 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 move.
At Cleveland Clinic, I'm Erica Foreman.